Our next player up is going to be number 14. This is Devon Conway, a New Zealand batter. Opening bid of 2 crore, please. At 2 crore, do I have any opening bids for Devon Conway? Any bids coming in at all? Thank you, Chennai Super Kings. You've come in at 2 crore. At 2 crore, we have here. At 2 crore now, straight up front at 2. Anybody else coming in ahead of them? At 280. 3 crore, say Punjab. Would you like one more here? Indeed you would. 4 crore comes back to Chennai. Are the Kings coming back? Indeed, 420. For Punjab, 440. For the Super Kings at 440. 460, say Punjab. 480, say Chennai. 525. 550, Punjab Kings. 575, CSK. 6 crore, say Punjab. 625, say Chennai. At 6 crore and 25 lakh now. At 6 crore 25, all done, all through. Going once, going twice, last chance and selling to Chennai at 6 crore and 25 lakh. Yours at 625. Thank you so much. Devon Conway goes to Chennai Super Kings. Our next player up is number 25. This is Rachin Ravindra, the New Zealand all-rounder. And can we open here at 1 crore 50, please, for Rachin Ravindra at 1 crore and 50 lakh. Do we have any bids coming in at 1 crore 50? At 1 crore 50, any teams coming in at all? Opening bid at 1 crore and 50 lakh. Any paddles going up at all? At 1 crore and 50 lakh. All done. At 1 crore, thank you CSK, at 1 crore 50. At 1 crore 50, 1 crore 60, Punjab comes in. At 1 crore 60, 1 crore 70 goes back to CSK. At 1 crore 70 now, CSK's bid. At 3 crore, 320 Punjab. All done. At 3 crore and 20 lakh, it is Punjab's bid. At 3 crore and 20 lakh, any other team coming in? Currently with Punjab at 3 crore and 20 lakh. Last chance if you'd like to raise a paddle. At 3 crore and 20 lakh, this is with Punjab. All done. All through then at 3 crore and 20 lakh and selling, going once, going twice, to Punjab at 3 crore 20. Sold to Punjab at 3 crore and 20 lakh. We do have an RTM option. Chennai Super Kings, would you like to execute that? Yes, indeed they would. They would at 3 crore 20. Let's see what Punjab's final bid would be. 4 crore, say Punjab. Chennai Super Kings, you accept that at 4? Indeed they do. Rachin Ravindra goes to the Chennai Super Kings at 4 crore. Sold to you. Thank you very much. Definitely some happy fans in the audience. Our next player up is number 18. This is Rahul Tripathi. Our Indian batter here. And let's open here at a base price of 75 lakh. Please, opening bid of 75 lakh for Rahul Tripathi. 320. 340. Back with Chennai at 340. Ahead of you, Kolkata. At 3 crore and 40 lakh, it's with the Chennai Super Kings. Kolkata is out. Any other team coming in? At 3 crore and 40 lakh, straight up front with the Chennai Super Kings currently. All done. And selling then. Going once, going twice, and selling. For you, Chennai, at 3 crore and 40 lakh. Our next player up is number 20. This is Ravichandran Ashwin. And can we open here at an opening bid of 2 crore, please, for Ravichandran Ashwin at 2 crore. At 2 crore, do we have any teams coming in at all? At 2 crore. At 2 crore, thank you CSK. CSK comes in straight away at 2. At 2 crore, anybody else coming in ahead of Chennai? At 2 crore now, the bid is up front by me at 2. At 220, thank you. LSG at 220, 240. CSK 260 Lucknow, 280 Chennai, 3 crores Lucknow, 320 Chennai, 340 Lucknow, 360 Chennai, 9 crores, say the Royals, 925, say Chennai, at 925, 950, thank you Rajasthan, 975, says Chennai. All done, all through, going once, going twice, and selling to Chennai Super Kings at 9 crore and 75. Our next player up is number 33. This is Syed Khalil Ahmed, fast bowler from India. And we open here at 2 crore, please. At 2 crore for Syed Khalil Ahmed, at 2 crore. Any bids coming in at 2? At 2 crore, do we have any bids in the room at all at 2 crore? At 2 crore, thank you CSK. CSK comes in at 2. 460, Lucknow. 480 for Chennai. Done. 480 now with the Chennai Super Kings in the center of the room at 4 crore and 80 lakh. Any other team coming in at 4 crore 80? At 4 crore and 80 lakh? No. They say no, so the player will remain with the Chennai Super Kings at 4 crore and 80 lakh. Thank you so much. Sold. And our next player up is going to be number 40. This is Noor Ahmed, also from Afghanistan. And we can open here at 2 crore, please. Opening bid of 2 crore, do I have anywhere? 2 crore, thank you Mumbai Indians. At 2 crore we have. Mumbai Indians has bid 2 crore. Anybody else coming in ahead of that? At 2 crore now for Noor Ahmed. 2 crore with the Mumbai Indians. Any other team coming in? At 2 crore, anybody else? 220 CSK it is. 240 for Mumbai Indians. 260 for CSK. 280 Mumbai Indians. 3 crore CSK. 320 Mumbai Indians. 340 CSK. 360 Mumbai Indians. 10? 10 crore is what Chennai says. Let's see if Gujarat is going to accept it. No, they do not. So the player will go to the Chennai Super Kings then at 10 crore. Noor Ahmed, sold. Our next player up, this is number 58. This is Vijay Shankar. Vijay Shankar coming up. And we can open here at an opening price of 30 lakh, please. 30 lakh opening bid for Vijay Shankar. For Vijay Shankar, do we have anywhere in the room? 30 lakh, thank you CSK. At 30 lakh in the center of the room now with Chennai. Anybody else coming in ahead of that? At 30 lakh, it is Chennai's bid. At 30, 35 is Gujarat. At 35, 40 is Chennai. At 40, 45 is Gujarat. 50 is Chennai. At 50 lakh now, it's with Chennai. 55 is Gujarat. 60 is Chennai. 65 is Gujarat. 70 for Chennai. 75 for Gujarat. 80 for Chennai. 85 for Gujarat. At 120 with CSK. At 1 crore 20. Any other teams coming in now? At 1 crore and 20 lakh, the bid is with the Chennai Super Kings. Any other team coming in at all? At 1 crore and 20 lakh, fair warning then, at 1 crore 20, we will sell to the Chennai Super Kings. Going once, going twice. This is your chance to raise it if you'd like. Last chance. And selling at 1 crore 20. Chennai, it's yours at 1 crore and 20 lakh. Thank you so much. This is number 91. This is Sam Curran, the English all-rounder. Sam Curran. And we have an opening bid of 2 crore, please, for Sam Curran. Thank you so much. CSK jumps in at 2 crore. At 2 crore now, opening bid up front for Sam Curran with Chennai Super Kings. 220, say LSG. 240, thank you CSK. What is our verdict? No, they do not. The player will remain with the Chennai Super Kings at 2 crore and 40 lakh for Sam Curran. Well done. Next up, we have player 123. This is Sheikh Rashid. Batter again. And let's open here again at 30 lakh. At 30 lakh, do I have? Thank you, CSK. At 30 lakh, right up front here. At 30 lakh, do we have anybody else coming in? Let's see what Gujarat says. No, they say no. Selling to the Chennai Super Kings right up front at 30 lakh. For you, Chennai, at 30. Next, we move on to Anshul Kamboj, all-rounder from India. And we open at 30 lakh, please. At 30 lakh, thank you, Delhi Capitals coming straight in at 30. It's 35 CSK. LSG comes in at 40. 45 goes back to CSK. 50 to Lucknow, 55 to CSK. At 1 crore 90, 2 crore. Mumbai comes back. 220 Chennai. 240 Mumbai. 260 is Chennai. 280 Mumbai. 3 crore Chennai. 320 Mumbai. 340 is Chennai. At 3 crore and 40 lakh, all through, all done then, and selling up front at 3 crore and 40 lakh. CSK, that is yours at 3 crore and 40. Mukesh Chaudhary showing there, and let's open at 30 lakh please. At 30 lakh, do we have any opening bids for Mukesh Chaudhary? At 30 lakh. At 30 lakh, no other team coming in. Against everybody else in the room, the bid is up front with Chennai, and I'm selling all through, all done. Chennai coming to you then at 30 lakh. For you, Chennai at 30 lakh. Next up on our list is going to be Deepak Hooda, all-rounder there, and we can open up here at 75 lakh. At 75 lakh for Deepak Hooda, at 75 lakh. Do I see any bids coming in at all? At 75 lakh. Thank you, Chennai. Battle goes up. At 75 lakh up front. 1 crore is SRH, 110 is Chennai. 110, 120 Sunrisers, 130 Chennai. 160 SRH, 170 Chennai comes straight back. And done. At 1 crore 70 with Chennai at the moment. Last chance for anybody else then. And selling at 1 crore 70. Chennai, it's for you at 1 crore 70. But we do have a right to match option. LSG, would you like to execute that? No, they would not. The player stays with the Chennai Super Kings at 170. Sold. Our next player up is 221. This is Gurjapneet Singh. And 30 lakh, please to open Gurjapneet Singh at 30 lakh. Thank you, LSG, straight off there. At 30 lakh, I have up front. At 30 lakh, any other team coming in ahead of Lucknow? At 30 lakh, any team coming in? 35. Thank you, Chennai. At 35, I have Chennai. 40 goes back to Lucknow. 45 is Chennai. 50 is Lucknow. At 50, 55 for Chennai. 60 is Lucknow. 130 for Chennai. 140 for Gujarat. 2 crore Gujarat. 220 CSK. At 2 crore and 20 lakh in the center of the room. Anybody else coming in? At 2 crore and 20 lakh, we are selling then 2 Chennai Super Kings ahead of everybody else at 2 crore and 20 lakh. Chennai, that's yours at 2 crore 20. Thank you so much. Player 315 will be our next player up. This is Nathan Ellis of Australia. And we can open at 1 crore and 25. Thank you, CSK. At 1 crore 25 is bid up front. At 1 crore 25 with CSK, is anybody else coming in ahead of that? At 1 crore and 25 lakh. Chennai's bid at 125. I will sell then up front at 1 crore and 25 lakh. Last chance for any other team to come in. At 1 crore 25, we are selling 130, says PBKS. 140, back to Chennai. 140, Chennai's bid. $140. You coming back, Punjab, at 1 crore 40. All done then. At 1 crore and 40 lakh. The bid is with Chennai at 1 crore 40 and selling, if we're all completely sure, all done, Chennai coming to you at 1 crore and 40 lakh. For you at 1 crore and 40, we do have an RTM option. Punjab, would you like to exercise that? Yes, you would. Let's come back to Chennai and ask them for their final price, please. 2 crore is the final bid that Chennai would like to propose at 2 crore. Let's see what Punjab thinks about that. Giving you a few more seconds. No, thank you. No. So Punjab says no. The player comes to the Chennai Super Kings at 2 crore. For you, Nathan Ellis at 2. Thank you very much. Moving on, our next player up is 363. This is Jamie Overton from England. And again, can we open here at 1 crore 50? Thank you, CSK. 1 crore 50 is bid straight off by the Chennai Super Kings up front. Anybody else coming in ahead of them? At 1 crore 50 now, it's with CSK. Anybody else coming in ahead? All done. At 1 crore 50, I will sell them to Chennai up front at 1 crore 50 lakh, all through, all done, and selling to you Chennai at 150 for Jamie Overton. Well done. Thank you. Next player up is going to be 385. This is Kamlesh Nagarkoti. And we can open here at 30 lakh, please. At 30 lakh. At 30 lakh, do I have a bid anywhere? Thank you, Chennai Super Kings. I do. At 30 lakh, straight ahead of me. At 30 lakh, anybody else coming in ahead of them? At 30 lakh, do I have a bid anywhere else in the room? I will sell them to the Chennai Super Kings ahead of everybody else. Last chance to raise a paddle. All through then, all done, and selling to the Chennai Super Kings at 30 lakh. Well done, Chennai. Thank you so much. Is player number 425. This is Ramakrishna Ghosh. And we can open at 30 lakh, please. At 30 lakh, thank you, Chennai Super Kings. Straight up here at 30 lakh with the Chennai Super Kings. Anybody else coming in ahead of CSK? At 30 lakh, all done, all through. We will sell then to Chennai. All done then. Last chance if anybody else would like to raise their paddle, raise the bid. Fair warning then. And the player is going to the Chennai Super Kings at 30 lakh. For you, Chennai, at 30. Thank you so much. Next up is Shreyas Gopal. This is number 78. Shreyas Gopal. And we can open at 30 lakh, please. At 30 lakh, thank you, Chennai Super Kings. Come straight in at 30 lakh for Shreyas Gopal. At 30 lakh for Shreyas Gopal, anybody else coming in ahead of them? At 30 lakh, anybody else coming in ahead of CSK? All through then at 30 lakh and selling up front to the Chennai Super Kings. Then fair warning for everybody else and selling at 30 lakh. Chennai Super Kings, that's yours at 30 lakh. Thank you. Next up is going to be 134. This is Vansh Bedi. 134. SRH comes in already at 30 lakh. Thank you. Sunrisers Hyderabad has bid 30. Anybody else coming in ahead of that? At 35 indeed. Chennai Super Kings. 40 goes back to SRH. 45 comes to Chennai Super Kings. At 45 lakh, 50 SRH. At 50 lakh now, it's with the Sunrisers Hyderabad. At 50 lakh. Chennai Super Kings at 55. All done. All done. At 55 lakh with the Chennai Super Kings. Ahead of everybody else. At 55 lakh, any other team coming in? At 55 lakh with CSK up front. At 55 lakh, all through, all done then at 55 lakh. And I'm selling up front. Last chance for anybody else. At 55 lakh, the player goes to Chennai Super Kings. At 55 lakh for you, Vansh Bedi comes to the Chennai team. Next up is player 198. This is Andre Siddharth. Andre Siddharth, and let's open 30 lakh CSK. Thank you. CSK comes in right away at 30. At 30 lakh now with Chennai Super Kings. 30 lakh, anybody else coming in ahead? At 30 lakh, the bid is straight up front with me. At 30 lakh, any other team coming in? At 30 lakh now, ahead of all the other teams, I will sell to Chennai Super Kings unless somebody else would like to come in with a higher bid. At 30 lakh now, it's with Chennai and selling up front to the Chennai Super Kings team. Fair warning for everybody else. And selling for you, Chennai, at 30 lakh. Chennai's bid here at 30 lakh, sold to them. Thank you so much.